Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall solve the remaining aptitude questions that was asked in Tech Mahindra. So we shall quickly see the fifth question. So the fifth question, it is on trains. A passenger train covers the distance between stations, that is x and y, so minutes, x and y 50 minutes faster than a goods train. So there are two trains, one is a passenger train, so one is the passenger train and the second one is a goods train. Find the distance if the average speed of the passenger is 60 km per hour and the total of goods and the goods train is 20 km. So that is the speed of passenger, it is 60 km per hour and the goods train is 20 km per hour. So what you need to find is, you need to find the distance. So we shall quickly see how to solve this question. First we shall write the given. So the given is that let d be the distance. So let d be the distance between the two stations. So between two stations x and y. So here what is the speed of passenger train? So speed of passenger train, it is 60 km per hour, and similarly the speed of goods train. So speed of goods train is nothing but it is 20 km per hour, and this is already given. So what you need to find is, you need to so here the speed of passenger train is 60 km. So the formula for the distance speed is distance equal to speed into time. So now what is we need to find is time taken by passenger train. So time taken, so time is equal to distance upon speed. So time taken by passenger train to cover the distance d. So train to cover distance d. So to cover the distance d, which is given by, so it is given by, that is distance by speed. So distance we have taken d divided by speed is 60 km. Similarly you are going to write the time taken by the goods train. So time taken by goods train to cover distance, goods train to cover distance d, this is given by d divided by 20 because the speed of goods train is 20. So next thing is, what you need to do is, so we know the total, that is they have told the 50 minutes faster than the goods train. So that is x and y, and it is 50 minutes faster than the goods train. So which you can write it as d by 20 minus d divided by 60, which is equal to 50. So it is 50 minutes and you need to convert, that is 50 minutes, you need to convert it into hours. So 50 divided by 60 hours you can say. So next thing is taking d common, and the remaining is 1 divided by 20, 1 by 60 equal to 50 divided by 60. So then after that take the LCM. So the LCM, so here you can say the LCM, that will be 20 into 60, and here 60 minus 20, which is equal to 50 divided by 60. So d is there. So then after that, you are going to simplify this. So simplification, that is d into, so 60 minus 20 you can say it is 40 divided by 20 into 60, that is 6 2s are 12, then after that 2 zeros, then after that, which is equal to 50 divided by 60. So then you are going to cancel. So these are going to cancel, and 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 60, then 2 1s are 2 30s are. So we want d. So what about distance? Equal to 50 divided by 60 into 30 divided by 1. So 1 by 30, it will be 30 by 1. So 30 2s are 60, and then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So you can say distance d is equal to 25 km. So then check for the option A is 20 km, option B is 25, C is 45, and D is none. So you can say 25 km is the correct answer for this question. So then we shall see the next question. The next question is on pipes and cisterns. So the next question is pipes and cisterns, that is, so 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a tank in 300 minutes. So if it can fill a tank in 300 minutes, 480 minutes and 420 minutes, so when working alone, so when A, B and C, if they are working alone, so they can fill a tank in 300 minutes, 480 minutes and 420 minutes. And next thing is that if the pipes are opened simultaneously, then how long will it take for the tank to be full? So if the tank is simultaneously open, and how long will it take to fill the tank by all the three, that is A, B, C. So here first thing is that, so we shall see the solution for this. So here it is in minutes and you need to convert it to hours, means that is 300 by 60. So 300 by 60, first one is A can fill a tank in, that is 300 divided by 60, which is nothing but 6 5s are 30, so 5 hours. Then similarly B can fill a tank in 480 divided by 60, which is nothing but 6 8s are 48, 8 hours. And similarly C can fill a tank in 420 divided by 60, which is nothing but 6 7s are 42, which is 7 hours. So what you need to do is, that is A can fill a tank in 5 hours, B in 8 hours and C in 7 hours. So first find the LCM of all. So LCM of 5, 8 and 7 is equal to 280 units. So LCM is 280 units. So what you need to do is, first thing is that you need to find the time taken. So the time taken, so time taken by A, B and C is equal to, so how you are going to do is, that is 280 units. So 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 7. So LCM of this is 280 units. So next thing is, what you are going to do is, so 5 how much are 280, so then 8 how much are 280 and 7 how much are 280, you are going to write it. So if you are facing difficulty in finding this, you can do it as 280 divided by 5. So 5 5s are 25, then after that 5 6 are 30, so you can say 56 are, plus similarly 280 by 8. So 280 by 8 you can do, you will get 35. Then remaining is with respect to 7, you can say 40 are. So you are going to add everything. So 56 plus 35 plus 40, which will give you 131 divided by 280, and here you need to find the time taken. So it will be 280 divided by 131, which is nothing but, so it will be 2.13. So that is 2.13 hours, but you need it in minutes because the question is given in terms of minutes. So you can say it will be 128 minutes. So from the option, that is option A, 128 minutes is the correct answer for this question. So we shall see the next question, that is the 7th question. So the number of 4-wheelers that are sold 1 year, it varies inversely with the number of wheelers that are sold that year. So if the 40,000 wheelers and 4-wheelers were sold in 1 year, so 21,000 number of 2-wheelers sold, how many 2-wheelers were sold in a year when 60,000 number of 4-wheelers were sold? So this is the question that was asked. Option A is 12,000, 13,000, 14,000 and 15,000. So first thing is, they have given if 40,000 4-wheelers were sold in 1 year and 21,000 2-wheelers is sold, how many 2-wheelers were sold? So first thing is that they have given the 40,000. So 40,000 wheelers, which is equal to, so how many 2-wheelers were sold in a year? So 2-wheelers, so we shall consider it as K, then into, then after that in 1 year it was 21,000. So 1 divided by 21,000 we shall do. So then after that it will be 40,000. So this comes here, it will be 21,000 equal to K. So then after that what you are supposed to do is that K is equal to, so multiply 21 into 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, it will be 84. So then after that remaining zeros, 2 3 4 5 6 7, so add 7 zeros, so 7 zeros. So next thing is that they have also given that the 2-wheelers they were sold in a year when 60,000 number, so when a 60,000 number of 4-wheelers were sold, so they have given 60,000, so divided by 60,000 you are supposed to do. So cancel all the zeros. So then 6 ones are 6, then after that 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, and remaining 3 zeros. So you can say the value is 14,000. So 14,000 were the number of two-wheelers that was sold. So based on the options that are provided, option A is 12,000, option B is 13, option C is 14, and option D is 15. You can say 14,000, that is the options, is the correct answer for this question. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.